Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today's question is from Sean K, and he asks, I am curious about Shogun Method because it seems so different from the other programs. How is it better though? Great question, Sean. So here's my take. If you've seen Shogun Method in action, then you'll appreciate just how different it is. The reason is that it's based on mind control. That's what makes it different from the conventional pickup artist and dating guru crap that litters the internet these days. If you've watched my stuff enough, then you'll know that I am a big fan of the fractionation technique. And guess what? Fractionation is an example of mind control. With fractionation, you'll invoke both positive and negative emotions in your target. In short, you'll make her feel both happy and sad in succession. Almost all mind control techniques work the same way. They tap into the psyche of the female mind subconsciously by appealing to it emotionally. Shoguns who use mind control know one important thing. Attraction isn't just about positivity. Love is not just about happy feelings. As you probably already know, relationships are not about sunshine and rainbows. In fact, a lot of long-lasting relationships are pretty messed up in nature. Think about it. There's a good reason for this. Women are addicted to emotional drama. This means that to make a woman addicted to you, you've got to give her drama. In fact, a little emotional turmoil is good for her and you. Compel her to experience a roller coaster of emotions, and you'll put her in a hypnotic state. And guess what? Once she's in this state, she will be so susceptible to your ideas that you can use it to do whatever you want. Yes, whatever you want. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. And of course, I should implore you not to use mind control for harm. The truth is that like any tool, Shogun Method can be used for good or for harm. Many shoguns have gone on to have great relationships with their girlfriends and wives. I can't really think of many who use Shogun Method for bad purposes. Anyway, so now you know why mind control is so much more effective in relationships than the regular dating guru advice. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.